Bonjour, bonsoir messieurs dames, nom c'est Jitin et bienvenue dans le cours créole authentique là. In today's lesson, you are going to learn how to make questions without question words and with the question words in Haitian Creole. To achieve this, you are going to learn what a question is, the types of questions, how to form an open-ended question in Haitian Creole, how to form a closed-ended question in Haitian Creole, and finally, you'll find an exercise to practice the content of this lesson. What is a question? A question is a sentence which you say or write in order to ask about a particular matter, according to Collins Dictionary. Example, do you speak Haitian Creole? Do you speak Haitian Creole? What is your name? What is your name? The types of questions. There are two types of questions in all languages: open-ended questions, closed-ended questions. An open-ended question is a question which cannot be answered by yes or no. Example, what is your name? What is your name? And a closed-ended question is a question which can be answered by yes or no. Example, do you speak Haitian Creole? Do you speak Haitian Creole? The answer to this question may be yes or no. Closed-ended questions in Haitian Creole. To make a closed-ended question in English, you use auxiliary verbs like to do, will, or modal verbs as well, okay, for the action verbs, okay? In Haitian Creole, to form a closed-ended question, we use the syntax subject, verb, object, or another element, okay, plus the question mark. The intonation tells you that it is a question. Example, ou parlez créole? Ou parlez créole? Ou parlez créole? Wap manje pain? Wap manje pain? Ou te wem là-bas? Ou te wem là-bas? Nous comprenons? Nous comprenons? Nous prenons note? Nous prenons note? Ou pral travail demain? Ou pral travail demain? In these questions, as you can probably see, the blue ones are the subject, the word, the verbs, and the dark ones, okay, are object or other element, okay? That's how to make closed-ended question in Haitian Creole. But there is another way to make it. Let's see it. Sometimes when the intonation is not enough to make the difference, we use SK, which is the true equivalent of the auxiliary verbs in English. Example, est-ce que vous parlez créole? Est-ce que vous parlez créole? Est-ce que nous comprenons? Est-ce que nous comprenons? Est-ce que nous gagnons question? Est-ce que nous gagnons question? Est-ce que nous avons? Est-ce que nous avons? Est-ce que vous remem? Est-ce que vous remem? To answer these questions, you can just say a yes or no. Example, est-ce que vous parlez créole? Oui. Est-ce que nous comprenons? Non. Just like the tag questions in English, you can answer like this too. Example, est-ce que vous parlez créole? Oui, moi parler créole. Est-ce que vous mangez pain? Non, m'pas manger pain. Nous comprenons? Oui, nous comprenons. Nous avons une question? Non, nous pas gagné. Non, nous pas gagné. That's how to make a closed-ended question in Haitian Creole. Now let's see the open-ended question in Haitian Creole. To form an open-ended question in English, you use a question word like who, where, etc. Questions with these little words cannot be answered by yes or no. To form this type of question in Haitian Creole, we also use question words. The question words in Haitian Creole are qui est or qui moun, qui sa, qui le, qui côté, qui sa, qui jan or comment, pour qui sa. Okay, let's see them one more time. Qui est, qui moun, qui sa, qui le, qui côté, qui sa, qui jan, comment, pour qui sa. Let's see them with more details. Qui est or qui moun are used to ask about a person or their identity. When it's with the verb se and when the question starts with a preposition, we use uniquely qui est or qui moun. Whereas when it's with the action verbs, we use an extra qui. Example, qui est ou ye, qui est ou ye, qui moun ou ye, qui moun ou ye. Qui est qui te gagné jouet là? Qui est qui te gagné jouet là? Qui moun qui bow wopsa? Qui moun qui bow wopsa? A qui moun wap pale là? A qui moun wap pale là? A qui est ou prale? A qui est ou prale? But if you want to know the identity of a person who possesses something, the question must be with pour qui est or pour qui moun. The English equivalent is whose. Example, pour qui est machine ça? Pour qui est machine ça? Pour qui moun plus moi utiliser ya? Pour qui moun plus moi utiliser ya? Pour qui est kaye sa yo? Pour qui est kaye sa yo? Kisa with ye and with the other verbs are used to ask about identity or the state of an action. It's sometimes reduced to sa. The English equivalent is what. Example, Kisa sa ye? Kisa sa ye? Salteye. Salteye. Salteye, okay? Salteye. Sor poilier. Sor poilier. Qui ça vle di? Qui ça vle di? Qui ça wap fè la? Qui ça wap fè la? Sa ou te di yeswa? Sa ou te di yeswa? When kisa followed by a name, it's reduced to qui. Example, qui lè liye la? Qui lè liye la? Qui lè gen la? Qui lè gen la? Qui non? Qui non? Qui jon rele? Qui jon rele? Qui équipe football préféré ou? Qui équipe football ou pireme? Qui équipe football préféré ou? Qui équipe football ou pireme? Qui lò al nan kabano? Qui lò al nan kabano? Qui joue jodi a ye? Qui joue jodi a ye? Questions with what and like or look like may be asked with qui jan, with two words. Example, qui jan se o la ye? Qui jan se o la ye? Qui jan viloua ye? Qui jan viloua ye? Qui jan machine ouan ye? A qui sa machine ouan semble? That is an alternative, okay? Qui jan machine ouan ye? Qui jan papa ye? Qui jan papa ye? Questions like this are rare in Haitian Creole. we just ask what we need to know with many questions about the person or things. Okay? You may ask a question like the number 1, and the person may say, my sister is fine. And then you'll say, non, m'vle dire qui façon li led, li belle, qui grosseur, okay? Because we don't really have the kind of question in Haitian Creole. Okay? Qui sa qui plus a noun or qui sa plus noun plus ye is used to ask for a definition of a concept sometimes, okay? Example, qui sa qui philosophia? Qui sa qui philosophia? Qui sa qui géographia? Qui sa qui géographia? Qui sa qui yon sec? Qui sa qui yon sec? Qui sa yon kay ye? Qui sa yon kay ye? Qui sa qui yon constitution? Qui sa qui yon constitution? Qui sa qui constipation? Qui sa qui constipation? Killer is an interrogative pronoun which is used to ask a point in time when something happens. Its English equivalent is when. Example, killer wap vin visitem. Killer wap vin visitem. Killer wap payem. Killer wap payem. Killer pral l'école là. Killer pral l'école là. Killer grand vacances commencer dans pays ou. Killer grand vacances commencer dans pays ou. Killer coup allemand là. Killer coup allemand là. Killer pral visiter yo. Killer pral visiter yo. It's very important to notice the difference between killer in one word and killer in 2 words. Killer in one word is to ask about time, and killer in 2 words is to ask about hour, okay? When it's hard to make the difference, we use a before killer for time. Example, killer lila, okay? Killer lila, killer is now for time, okay? Li 5h30, li 5h30. Killer la fête, killer in one word, okay? Killer la fête. Jodi ya, okay? Killer la fête, jodi ya. Ki kote is used to ask about the location of a place, the place of an action or an object or event or a destination. It's sometimes reduced to quote or kote. Its English equivalent is where. Syntax ki kote or kote or quote plus subject plus verb plus other elements and then the question mark. Example, ki kote machine lan ye? Ki kote machine lan ye? Koto te ye ye? Kote ou te ye ye? Ki kote konseya ap ye asweya? Ki kote konseya ap ye asweya? Kote mamam. Kote mamam. Or, kote mamam ye. Kote mamam or kote mamam ye. Kote ou rete. Kote ou rete. Kote ou prale semaine qui ap venir. Kote ou prale semaine qui ap venir. Ki kote ou pral nan vacances. Ki kote ou pral nan vacances. Kote ou pral la kounye ya. Kote ou pral la kounye ya. It's important to notice the nuance in these syntaxes. Kote rad liyo and kote rad liyo ye have 2 different meanings. Kote rad liyo means that you see the clothes for different owners, but you want to know his or her ones. The equivalent of the syntax is which. Kote rad liyo. Kote rad liyo, which are his clothes. Kote rad liyo. Example, kote rad liyo. Kote rad liyo, sa rouge yo, coat pantalon yo, sa kout yo ak long sa. While coat radli yo ye means that you want to know the location of his or her cloth. Example, coat radli yo ye, men yo nan valise la, men yo nan valise la. Pour qui ça? Pour qui ça is used to ask for a reason, a motive, or an explanation. Its English equivalent is why. Syntax, pour qui ça plus subject plus core. When I say core, is the, for example, the past tense, the negative words, okay? The negative particle, the marker, the time marker like T, up, okay? These are core and verb plus other element, okay? Example, pour qui sort pâté relem. Pour qui sort pâté relem. Pour qui sort femme ça. Pour qui sort femme ça. Pour qui ça ne pas aller kounya. Pour qui ça ne pas aller kounya. Pour qui sort toujours en retard. Pour qui sort toujours en retard. Pour qui ça wap gade comme ça. Pour qui ça wap gade comme ça. Pour qui sort dérangé. Pour qui sort dérangé. Pour qui ça m'ta doué marié avec ou. Pour qui ça m'ta doué marié avec ou. Qui is used with a noun to ask about a choice or an option in many. Its English equivalent is which. Example, qui équipe préférée ou, Barça ou bien Real? Qui équipe préférée ou, Barça ou bien Real? Qui caractéristique qui préférée ou là? Qui caractéristique qui préférée ou là? Qui crayon qui pour là? Qui crayon qui pour là? Qui frère nan frère yo qui marié ya? Qui frère nan frère yo qui marié ya? But most of the time we mostly use qui est nan frère yo qui marié ya? Qui est nan frère yo qui marié ya? Qui pantalon ou pireme nan pantalon yo? Qui pantalon ou pireme nan sa yo? Qui pantalon ou pireme nan sa yo? We say qui l'âge yo, which is how old are you, which literally mean which or what is your age in all the ages, okay? Qui l'âge yo. Qui jan, comment are used interchangeably to ask for information about name, the way to do something, the state of the situation, details about a particular experience, etc. Its English equivalent is how. Syntax, qui jan, comment, plus subject, verb, other elements, okay, plus the question mark. Example, comment relais, comment relais, comment relais, qui j'en relais, qui j'en relais. Comment voyage la teye, comment voyage la teye. Qui j'en yo fait gâteau, qui j'en yo fait gâteau. Comment ça y est même? Comment ça y est même? To translate these English expressions like how often, how much, how many, how far, how about, we use other formulations. How often is chaque kile, chaque kile. Example, chaque kile ou aller l'école. Chaque kile ou aller l'école. Chaque kile m'doit prendre médicament yo. Chaque kile m'doit prendre médicament yo. The equivalent of how much, how many is combien or qui valait. Combien is used for countable nouns, where it's possible to answer with a number. Example, combien moun qui gen nan famille? Here you can say 5 people, 2 or 5, okay? Combien moun qui gen nan famille? Combien machine qui gen nan garage là? Combien machine qui gen nan garage là? Combien étudiants qui nan classe ou a? Combien étudiants qui nan classe ou a? Equivalent is used for uncountable nouns. You can answer it with un pile, yon ti kal, ti gren, ke gren, yon ti gout, yon ti tak, okay? Un pile, yon ti kal, ti gren for like a grain, like rice and salt, okay? Cake grain, okay, like for grains, tea good, for liquid, okay? Example, qui va le de l'eau qui nan galon wan? Qui va le de l'eau qui nan galon wan? Here you can say en pile or yon ti tak, yon ti kal, okay? Yon ti good, okay, yon ti tak. Qui va le sable qui sous plage là? Here you can say en pile or cake grain, or, okay? Qui va le de l'eau m'dwe boire? Qui va le de l'eau m'dwe boire? Here you can say en pile, yon ti tak, yon ti good, yon ti tak. But most of the time, they are used interchangeably. In those cases, you can answer with a number or a quantity. Example, combien l'argent ou gagné? Combien l'argent gagné? Qui valait l'argent gagné? Okay? Combien l'argent gagné? The answer may be 5 good, okay? 5 goods. Qui valait l'argent gagné? Pas en pile, okay? Just a little, okay? Combien fromage qui était? Qui valait fromage qui était? Combien fromage qui était? Qui valait fromage qui était? Combien devoir m'dou faire? Qui valait devoir m'dou faire? Combien devoir m'dou faire? Qui valait devoir m'dou faire? Talking about distance, the equivalent of how far is jusqu'y bord, à qui distance, or we sometimes used other formulations to convey this idea in Haitian Creole. Example, travail ou à loin ak jim lan? Travail ou à loin ak jim lan? Or, à qui distance travail waye ak jim lan? À qui distance travail waye ak jim lan? Cinéma loin? Cinéma loin? Or, jusqu'y bord cinéma yé. Jusqu'y bord cinéma yé. Ou rete loin? Ou rete loin? How about can be translated by a when a pronoun or a noun comes after about, or a c when a complete phrase comes after. Okay, sometimes it may vary. Example, how about you? Eu. How about you? Eu. How about dinner in a Haitian restaurant? Et dîner dans un restaurant haïtien. Et dîner dans un restaurant haïtien. Et si n'allez kounye ya? Et si n'allez kounye ya? Okay guys, hope you like it. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe and become a member of my channel so that you can receive the PDF, okay? The PDF for your own practice. Bye bye and until next time.